Hi dear children, good morning. For today's topic, multiplication of integers. Okay, all of you studied addition and subtraction of integers. Yes, today we have to study multiplication of integers and multiplication of integers using number line. Okay, first we have to study how can multiply two integers. Okay, first multiplication of two positive integers. How can multiply two positive integers? An example, 3 into 5. Okay, 3 into 5. What is the meaning 3 into 5? 3 times 5. Okay, that means 3 times 5 added, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is the meaning. Okay, what is the meaning of this multiplication sentence? 3 into 5. That means 3 times 5, that is 5 added 3 times. 5 added 3 times. Okay. Multiplication is what? Multiplication means repeated addition. Multiplication means repeated addition. Okay. Here multiply two integers. 3 into 5 is equal to what? 3 5s are 50. Okay. Another two positive integers. 10 into 3. 10 3, that is 10 times 3. 3 added how many times? 10 times. What is 10 times 3? Equal to 30. Okay, here multiply two positive integer, their answer, that is their product is also a positive integer. Their product is also a positive integer. Okay, that means a positive integer into another one positive integer, answer is always positive. A positive integer into another one positive integer, our answer is, that is our product is always positive. Okay, that is multiplication of two positive integer, their product is always a positive integer. Okay, then next multiplication of two negative integers. Okay, here same number I take, that is minus 3 into minus 5. Okay, multiplication of two negative integers. Two negative integers. Okay, how can multiply? First multiply these two digits numbers only without sign. First multiply these two numbers. 3 5s are what? 50. Then minus into minus. Minus into minus, multiplication time, that makes positive integer. Okay, minus into minus, that is equal to what? Positive integer. Okay, then another. Minus 5 into minus 6. Here also minus into minus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Minus into minus, that is equal to plus. Minus into minus, plus. 5 into 6, 30. 5 into 6, 30. Okay, so answer minus 5 into minus 6 equal to plus 30. Minus 3 into minus 5 is equal to 50. That means multiplication of two negative integers, their answer must be a positive integer. Multiplication of any two negative integers, then their answer, then their product must be a positive integer. Okay, another one example. Minus 8 into minus 2. What is the answer? Minus into minus, plus. 8 into 2, 16. That is plus 16. Okay. Left it clear? Multiplication of two negative integer, then their product is always a positive integer. Multiplication of two positive integer, then their product is always a positive integer. Okay. Remember one thing, multiplication of two same sign, that is that sign, that number sign is same, then their answer must be a positive integer. Okay, here sign same. Okay, that തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന two numbers ന്റെ sign same ആണെങ്കിൽ then their answer must be a positive. That is with two numbers only. That is just remember always two negative numbers in the product ആണെങ്കിൽ answer positive. But three negative numbers ആയ positive അല്ല. Okay, so always remember that multiplication of two negative numbers is always positive integer. Okay, then next multiplication of one positive and one negative integer. Okay, multiplication of minus 5 into plus 4. What is the answer? One negative integer and one positive integer. What is the answer? Yes, 5 4s are 20. Minus into plus is always minus. Minus into plus equal to minus. Then minus 7 into minus 4 plus 4. Minus 7 into plus 4. What is the answer? 7 4s are 28. Then here minus into plus minus. Okay. So multiplication of one positive integer, one negative integer and a positive integer, their product must be a negative integer. Okay. Then next one positive integer and one negative integer. What is the product? One positive integer and one negative integer. Answer is a negative integer. Answer is a negative integer. Multiplication of one positive and one negative integer. One positive and one negative. Answer must be negative integer. Okay, that means one positive integer into one negative integer. Answer must be negative. Answer must be negative. One negative integer into another one positive integer. Answer must be negative. Okay, that means here the integers have same sign, then answer positive. If two integers have same sign, answer positive. Two integers have different sign, answer negative. If two is compulsory. If two integers have same sign, answer positive. If two integers have different sign, answer that product must be negative. Okay, clear? Okay, here write that here one example, that is minus 5 into 4 minus 20. Write this first, write heading multiplication of integers, then write this question with the answers in your notebook. 4 5 6 7 8 9. Last day write one question also. Question number 10. Minus 6 into 3. What is the answer? Minus 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18. What is the minus into plus? Minus. Okay. Write this 10 question. Then here this result, plus into plus equal to positive, minus into minus equal to positive, plus into minus minus, minus into plus equal to negative. Okay, that is multiplication of two positive integers is always a positive integer. Multiplication of two negative integer, then their product always a positive integer. Product of two different, that two integers have different sign, then their product must be a negative integer. Must be a negative integer. Okay, clear? Write this result in one box. Okay, write. Yes. Now I give some questions with the multiplication of integers with the different integers. Okay, here first question. Multiply 3 into minus 7. One positive integer and one negative integer. So answer must be negative integer. Okay, then multiply these two numbers. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Next. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. That is here multiply with the two negative integers. That means these two numbers have same sign. 10 into 12 is equal to 120. So answer what? Plus 120. Okay, then next. Minus 4 into 8. Multiply with the to multiply with these two integers have different signs. Okay, so answer must be negative. 8 4s are 32. Okay, then next step. 2 into minus and 1 positive and 1 negative integer. What is 1 positive and 1 negative? What is the product? Product must be negative. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Okay, then 15 into minus 6. 15 into minus 6, what is the answer? 15 into minus 6 is 90. 15 into minus 6. Here 1 negative and 1. No, here 2 negative integers. Okay, 2 negative integers. So what is the answer? That means these two numbers have same sign. So answer positive. That answer must be a positive integer. 15 into 6 equal to 90 plus 90. Okay, then next last question. Minus 33 into 5. 1 negative and 1 positive integer. 1 negative and 1 positive. So answer must be a negative integer. So answer what? 33 into 5 plus 165. 165. Okay, all of you clear that result? One positive integer into another one positive integer is equal to product. That means the equal to positive means their product is a positive integer. Then minus into minus, minus. Positive number into negative number, negative. Now here minus into minus plus. Okay, always remember that minus into minus plus. One positive integer into negative integer, negative. One negative integer into positive integer, negative. Okay, always remember this result. Okay, this result using for multiplication of integers and division of integers also. Okay, so remember this and not forget. Okay, all should by heart this result. Okay, write these 6 questions with answers in your notebook. Next we have to study product of 3 or more integers. 3 or more integers. Okay, today first we have to study product of 2 integers, multiplication of 2 integers. Okay, here we have to study multiplication of 3 or more integers. Okay, here given 3 integers, minus 2 into minus 4 into 5. Minus 2 into minus 4 into 5. 2 negative integers and 1 positive integer. Okay, first we have to multiply first 2 numbers. That is minus into minus what? Plus. 2 4s are 8. Okay, minus into minus plus 2 into 4, 8. Then write next number. Okay, 8 5s are what? 40. 8 5s are 40. Okay, so minus 2 into minus 8 minus 2 into minus 4 into plus 5 into plus 5, that is equal to 40. Here plus 5 means what? Symbol of 5 is, that is sign of the 5 is what? Plus. Okay, here multiply operation is multiplication. Okay, ഇവിടെ multiply ആണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. 5 ന്റെ sign ആണ് plus എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, so minus 2 into minus 4 into 5. Okay, നമ്മൾ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ അത് മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്യാറില്ല. Okay, minus 2 into minus 4 into 5 is equal to 40. Answer plus 40. Then the next question. 7 into minus 3 into minus 1. 1 positive and 2 negative integers. Okay, here first multiply these first two numbers. 7 into minus 3. What is the answer? Yes, 1 7 7, 2 7 14, 3 7 21. 1 positive and 1 negative. So answer must be negative. Then next third number what? Into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. 21 into 1 what? 21. So answer plus 21. Okay, then next. Minus 5 into 0 into 10 into 11. Okay, here in this question include one 0. Here multiply with any number, that is multiply with 0, any number multiply with 0, then the answer, what, then the answer is 0, answer is 0. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും നമ്മുടെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഒരു 0 വന്നാൽ നമുക്ക് അപ്പോഴേ നമ്മൾ എടുത്തോണം answer must be 0. Okay, always remember that. Okay, here so many numbers here, that is minus 5, 10, 11. Okay, other numbers also here, but here one number what comes 0, multiply with the 0, that is any number multiply with the 0, then answer must be 0. Minus 5 into 0, 0, 0 into 10, 0, then that 0 into 11, that also 0. Okay, but now multiply ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല, you just write that answer 0. Okay, then next, then 0 has 0 is a positive or negative integer? 0 has no sign, 0 is not neither positive or negative. Okay, 0 positive അല്ല negative അല്ല. Okay, then 3 into 5 minus 2 into 1, 3 into 5 into minus 2 into 1, 3 into 5 into minus 2 into 1. Here first multiply these two numbers, then multiply these two numbers. Okay, so what is 3 into 5? 50. Two positive integers. Okay, so 3 into 5, 50. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Then 15 into minus 2 is equal to what? 15 into minus 2. One positive, one negative. So answer must be negative. 15 into 2, 30. Okay. Okay, look you clear. How can multiply 3 or more integers? This how can multiply? First multiply first two integers. Here only one digit, one number. Okay, so first multiply these two integers, then this product into third number. Okay, here also this product into third number. Here multiply with the 0, so answer must be 0. Then here 4 integers, so what? Here grouping, first two numbers, second next two numbers. Okay, so grouping, here we get one product, here also we get one, then multiply these two products. Okay, then we get our answer. Okay, clear? Let's write this question with answers also in your right heading, product of 3 or more integers. Then write these 4 questions with answers in your notebook. Next one, special condition, multiplication of negative 1. Okay, minus 1 into minus 1, what is the answer? Minus into minus plus, so answer plus 1. Then multiplication of minus 1, multiply how many times? 1, 2, 3, multiply 3 times. Okay, first minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, then 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Okay, then here multiply minus 1 how many times? 4 times. First multiply these two, then multiply these two. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1, minus 1 into minus 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. Okay, then here multiply minus 1 with how many times? 5 times. Okay, first these two, then these two, then last this. Minus 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Okay, then here multiply minus 1 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is 6 times. Okay, 6 times. Okay, then minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. Okay, so answer plus 1. Okay, then etc. Minus 1 multiply with 10 times. Minus 1 multiply with 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? Yes, first here grouping 1. Next. Okay, multiply with the two negative numbers, always positive. Okay, so positive, 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 positive. So answer plus 1. Okay. Okay. Then multiply minus 1 11 times, answer is negative. Okay, then there one extra minus 1 also comes. Okay, that time, so that answer will be what? Minus 1. Okay, here multiply how many minus 1? 2 minus 1. Here multiply 3 minus 1. Here 4. Here 5 minus 1. Let us multiply minus 1 how many times? 5 times. Here 6 times. Here 10 times. Okay. Anything you find from here? Find here. Multiply minus 1. Multiply minus 1 even number of times. This here even number. Even number of times, then answer must be plus 1. Okay, that means minus 1 multiply even number of times. Even number of times, that is here comes even number of times, then answer must be plus 1. Minus 1 multiply odd number of times, then answer must be minus 1. Here odd number, that is 3 times. 3 times answer minus 1. 5 times answer minus 1. Then 11 times answer minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 odd number of times. Here this can be written as minus 1 raised to 2. That is equal to what? Plus 1. Minus 1 raised to 3. That is equal to minus 1. This is the even number and odd number. Even number of times multiply answer plus 1. Odd number of times answer minus 1. Okay. Another one example. Minus 1 multiplied by 100 times. Minus 1 number 100 times multiply. What is the answer? Plus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by 121 times. 121 is odd number or even number? Is odd or even? Odd number. So answer is minus 1. Okay. Answer is minus 1. All of you clear? Okay. Write this result also in one box. Okay. Either box okay. Special case of minus 1. Right. Let's next one question. What will be the sign of the product if we multiply together? Okay, here given 4 questions. What will be the sign of the product? Product in the sign and the question. 8 negative integers and 3 positive integers. 8 negative integers. Okay, 8 negative integers. 8 negative integers. What is the answer? Answer must be positive. Why here? Number of negative integers is here even number. So answer must be positive. Answer must be positive. Then multiply 3 positive integers. 3 positive integers. Then answer positive integers. Answer must be always positive. Okay. Then positive integer into positive. Answer positive. Answer what? Positive integer. That means product must be positive integer. Okay. Then question number B. Okay. Here 8 negative, that is number of negative integer. Negative integer under 8. That is even number. So even number even number of times negative integers. So answer must be positive. Then 3 positives. 3 positive integers are positive. Then positive integer into positive integer. Then answer must be positive. Okay. Then 5 negative integers and 4 positive integers. 5 negative integers. 5 negative integer. That is here 5 is odd number. So answer must be negative. Answer must be negative. Here even number of times answer positive. Odd number of times answer negative. Okay. 5 negative integers and 4 positive integers. 4 positive integers, but answer must be positive. Then minus into positive, answer what? Negative. So answer must be, so product must be negative integer. Negative integer. The next question number C. Minus 1 12 times. Minus 1 12 times. Minus 1 12 times. What is the answer? 12 times. Here 12 is what? 12 is even. 12 is even. Even number of times. So answer must be what? Answer equal to plus 1. Answer is equal to plus 1. Okay. Even number of times ആണ് minus 1 വരുന്നത്. So answer must be plus 1. Next. Minus 1 2m times. 2m times. 2m. 2m is odd or even. 2m is what? Even number. 2 into any number, that must be what? Even. 2 into any number, that must be even. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു നമ്പർ ഈവൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് തന്നെ അതിന്റെ 2ന്റെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസ് ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റണം. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് നമ്പർ can be written as what? Multiples of 2. Then that number is an even number. Okay. So 2m means what? That is even. That denote a even number. That denotes a even number. Okay. So minus 1 2m time. That is minus 1 even number of times. That is the meaning. Okay. Minus 1 even number of times. Then m is a natural. M is any natural number or counting number. Okay. So what is the answer? Here answer always what? 1 plus 1. Here also answer plus 1. Okay. All of you clear? All of you clear? Here, let's write this in your notebook. Let's now mark homework questions. Homework page number 21. Page number 21 in your NCERT textbook. Page number 21. Exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Okay. In question number 1 contains questions A to J. Okay. All are multiplication question. Find the following products. Products of what? Products of integers. Minus, negative and positive numbers. Okay. Very simple questions. Okay. You should find answer of these. Okay. But if you understood today's portion, how can multiply integers, 3 or more integers and negative integers and positive integers? If you understood. How I went up the class, we will meet again in the next class. Thank you.